Hey, this is NK Fabio here to show what I've ordered, the M2 model kit. It's the it says hooker on the over there. It says Black Heart. This is basically a kit of this done up hooker Camaro. Yeah, which is a 69 model. And yeah, it's all the over there rims and tires, and yeah, that's the front of it. I mean, yeah, the front of it over there is the bumper is a little bit else like out of place, I think. I mean, yeah. But I could mend that. I'll do that. And yeah, here's the back of it. Yeah, that's it really. I'm might open it in another vid and do it up. Yeah, and other updates. I've been chosen for doing acting in the new series of I was going to be the series of Witcher. The new I'm going to be playing as infantry, and it will come out, I think, later on or next year sometime. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching.